Alright, what is going on? Again, should be a very pretty easy day. I think what my goal for today is, bro, I think I'm trying to make like at least like 200 bangers. I'm not exactly sure how long I'm gonna be filming because, so I don't know if you guys can tell, this is like one of those big things that YouTubers like are always talking about. We're like, you know, hey man, we got a new camera, can you see the quality? I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I was playing with the GoPro settings and now we have Pro Tune. But nah, I was playing with the GoPro settings and I put Pro Tune on, so I don't know, maybe you can see a difference. If not, I mean, it's whatever. But I'm not exactly sure how long I'm going to be filming for because I don't have a big SD card. Nice little pop. So I think what I'm going to do, to sort of keep it short, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my first delivery, put it in my bag, put the GoPro up, and then just come back later at another time, you know? Hey, you want to pick it up for Uber? Thank you. Easy. No. Okay, maybe not so easy. Fuck. Alright, well, whatever. I'm gonna get this done and then I will recap with you guys later. Okay. Honestly, I wasn't really expecting to hop on. Okay, so we just picked up another delivery. And man, dude, I'm so upset. I was delivering Chipotle, and dude, this guy got like chips and queso. Man, dude, this shit fucking spilled. It doesn't look like it's a lot, but dude, I haven't had a spill in like 3 years of doing this shit. Nice little tunnels. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, dude, my headphone is falling out. My headphone is falling out and this shit's gonna get annoying. I think we're probably at like maybe 60 bucks. I'm not even sure. I don't know. Right now it's looking kind of slow, so I don't know if I'm gonna hit that. So I'm kind of hoping that it picks up later, because right now it's kind of slow. I think I've been out here for like maybe 4 hours. Nah, I don't even think it's been 4 hours. I think it's been like 3, like maybe 3.5 hours. And it's kind of going slow, so hopefully it picks up. Little lane split. We get a little further. Dude, I love this bike. Dude, this bike is just, oh. This baby needs a fill-up soon, I can tell. Yeah, man. One thing that I will say that I'm not exactly a huge fan of with this bike, bro, this thing loves to eat fucking gas. I filled this tank up like not even 3 days ago, and she's already thirsty. So we might have to fill her up at the end of the night. Also, something that I need to mention, bro, guess what? We finally got the plates. So now, I don't have to worry about my bike getting impounded. And now we can start going to a lot further places. I think like the first really big road trip that I want to take is, I think I want to go to New York. I know sometimes I'll go to the Christiana Mall that's in Delaware, but I don't know, you know, I'm kind of feeling New Yorky, you know. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deliver this guy his food. I'm gonna take a break, and then most likely the next time I see you guys, it'll be nighttime. Oh, I think their food spilled. Let me see. Dude, something tells me their food is like not sitting straight up like how it should be. Okay, nah. We chilling. It was weird because like the way it's sitting on my back, you know. So it came with like a little cardboard sleeve underneath it, I guess, to keep it straight. And I don't know, it didn't feel right. All right, nah, but she chilling. All right, let's complete this shit. Alright, I can't find him, so we're just gonna leave it right here. This is the right building though. Boom. Alright, so that's done. I will see you guys when it is nighttime. Okay, holy shit. Dude, I was about to just like end my day without saying anything. Bro, check this shit the fuck out. So I dropped this bike. Yo, this thing was so fucking bent in that I couldn't shift down. Like, I don't know how the fuck I got home. I got home in fucking 4th gear. I literally had to take this big ass fucking wrench, insert picture here, and fucking bend that shit back. Oh my god. And then my clutch is like ruined too, but I'm used to that shit. Oh my god. Alright, let's go ahead and do this shit so we can get out today's video. Holy shit. Alright, so currently it is 8:27 p.m. I don't remember which time I started, but I've been out here for a solid 6-7 hours. With that being said though, we did, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing, dude? Come on. We hit 198, and honestly, I'm pretty happy with that. The fact that it took 7 hours though, that's kind of because last time I made like $100 in like 2 hours, so it's just a little you know? I mean, it was a pretty fun day. It was a pretty chill day for the most part though. I can't really complain. Went out, made some cash, put some miles on the bad boy, and honestly, I even got me some cool ass pictures. There was this fountain that I was driving by, and I was like, oh dude, I have to go there. Like, that shit is such a nice spot. And I went there and I got me some pics. One thing I will say that I love about this bike is that with how big the tank is, I can always just put my foot up and just, I call this cruise mode. That's what I call this. But that's it. I mean, you know, it's just a really chill day. I know it's gonna be a short one because I was looking at the GoPro, like how much is left of my memory. There's still a lot of space left. I kind of pray this is the last time I have to say this, but I hope the audio is better. I hope that the new placement that I put it in, I hope that shit is fucking perfect. Next week's video should be kind of interesting unless my cousin backs out like a pussy, but he's going to ride a motorcycle, so we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna do that, and then that should be pretty easy because it'll obviously be easy content, and at the same time it might be informative to other people who may be struggling. I know there's a million videos out there, but hey, one ear to another, the more the merrier, you know? I know when I first started, that's what I was doing. I would look at like 5 different videos by like 5 different YouTubers, and basically just like compare, like, okay, this guy is saying this guy is saying that, you know? I want to take the ABS off of this shit so I can start doing stoppies and stuff. I tried like the other day, but when I did it, the ABS kind of kicked in. But the ABS on the front like kicks in like last minute. Let me see if I can trigger it. I'm gonna squeeze the shit out of the front brake. It kicks in though like hella late, like right before the bike starts to lift, it will kick in. Said, I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you enjoyed today's little short fiasco, whatever the fuck you want to call this. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Actually, fuck that shit. We ain't ending it yet. We're gonna do some fucking campus cruising. What's up, motherfucker? Hell yeah. Damn, this shit is nice. Hell yeah. Ooh, cozy. kind of intended to stop doing this shit after it got me fired, but honestly, I just don't give a fuck. Woo. I'm gonna take this all the way to the main street. Fuck it. They're trying to flag me down like I'm gonna stop. Fuck out of here, bro. You really think I'm gonna stop? Flagging me down. Like, come on. Wait. Alright. Sounds louder. A little bit of more lane splitting. Hell yeah. Somebody just opens the door, fucking clotheslines the shit out of me. Okay, this is getting a little bit ridiculous. For that reason right there. Alright, now we can end the video. I hope you guys have a good one. As always, you know, go ahead and throw a comment, tell me what it is that you want to see me do. Like I said, yo, my goals for this year are to start wheeling, because I know that's something that everybody wants to see. Please don't comment that shit. But other than that, I mean, you know, hey, if you want, go ahead and check out another video. Like I said, the quality is just going up and up and up and up. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.